but you can still understand that every time her foot taps to the outside, she's pushing the ball of the foot into the ground. That's going to make you use less energy and more focus and have much more control as you go through the movements. Ready? And 4, 3, 2 out, 2 in, let's go. Out, 2, into, out, 2, into. Now keep checking that out. As you go out and in, what you want to do is push the balls of the feet into the ground. Just push the balls of the feet into the ground and you will conserve energy, but you also have great focus and great control, okay? So stay there. Hands are pressed together, but we're about to get the arms flowing, about to get the shoulders warmed up, okay? So keep it there. Ready? Add the arms. Up, 2, down, 2. Ready? Keep it going. Up, 2, down, 2. That's right. Keep the focus. Keep it going. Now Scott here is working. Scott, 41 years old. He's pushing T25. He's a busy guy, but he said, you know what? I can do 25 minutes a day. So you keep it going, okay? In a couple more seconds, we're going to go into single jacks. In 3, 2, ready? Start your single jacks. Up, down, perfect. Keep it going. Now, as you keep those single jacks going, make sure you touch the fingertips up top. Okay, touch it up top. Keep it going. And don't forget about how you contact the ground, because that's important. Whenever we get into any jumping motion, you want to bend your knees when you get to the floor, okay? Whenever you touch the floor, you want to slightly bend the knees so that you protect the knees and you keep it focused, and it'll help with your quads. Come on, guys. Bring your feet together. We're setting up the lunge progression. Check it out. Side to side. Feet together. Turn out. Lift. Keep the neck nice and long. Back straight. Back knee down. Nice and easy. This is how you're going to build your quadriceps. Keep it going. Keep it pushing. How we feeling, guys? Come on. Just lift through. Keep the chest nice and high. Don't lean forward. Don't lean back. Keep the core tight. And 4, 3, 2. Stay set up on the left side. We're going to add a little hop. Ready and go. Hop. Just small. Just lift. And knee down in the back. There you go. Keep it going. Twist over. Core tight. Keep the neck long. Keep it easy. Remember I talked about landing softly. Keep it easy. How we doing, guys? Come on, you got about 8 seconds to go. And you're going to push through. Then we're going to make it a little bit more. We're going to progress a little bit more. Ready? Let's start to touch the knee. Now, as you touch the knee, it makes you go a little bit lower. That means you got to keep your chest a little bit higher. And you keep pushing in there. We feel good? Come on, guys. Keep it going. Side to side. Have control. You're working your core here when you're in the air to keep stabilizing. Come on, guys. We're almost there, and then we're going to go to a little bit bigger progression. Come on, guys. Keep it going. In 3, 2,